Hey beauty lovers, welcome back to Beautyistic, where we turn everyday routines into smarter, more effective self-care. If you've ever struggled with keeping your gums healthy or worried about brushing too hard, today's review might just change the way you approach your oral care. Before we dive in, don't forget to subscribe and click the bell icon so you never miss a tip that can transform your beauty and wellness routines. So, let's talk about the Oral-B iO Series 2 Rechargeable Electric Toothbrush Starter Kit in Night Black. This is a powered toothbrush designed to remove up to 100% more plaque than a regular manual brush. It comes with 2 brush heads and features Oral-B's advanced iO technology, which promises to be tough on plaque but gentle on gums. It's got 3 cleaning modes: super sensitive, gentle, and daily clean, and an automatic pressure sensor that protects your gums from overbrushing. There's also a built-in 2-minute timer with alerts every 30 seconds to make sure each quadrant of your mouth gets the attention it deserves. When I first started using the iO Series 2, the switch from a manual toothbrush was effortless. The one-touch power button is intuitive, and it automatically starts on the super sensitive mode, which I appreciated because it felt gentle yet thorough right out of the box. The brush glides smoothly across teeth and gums, and the automatic pressure sensor is a game changer. It slows the brush down and lights up red if you're pressing too hard, which really helps prevent gum irritation. I tested it in my morning and evening routines, and I noticed a noticeably cleaner feel after just a few days. The quiet motor and long-lasting battery also make it very convenient for daily use, especially for those busy mornings. What stands out is how customizable it is. Switching between super sensitive, gentle, and daily clean is seamless, and the brush heads are compatible with all Oral-B iO replacement heads, so you can tailor your brushing experience even further. On the pros side, you have the advanced plaque removal, gentle yet effective cleaning, intuitive pressure sensor, quiet operation, and solid battery life. The cons? It's pricier than some other electric brushes, and if you're used to a manual brush, the sensation might feel unusual at first. For value, considering the technology, gum protection, and versatility of brush heads, the price is reasonable. You're paying for a high-quality device that not only cleans effectively, but also helps protect your gums, which is worth it if oral care is a priority. Compared to standard electric brushes, the iO Series 2 feels more refined and precise. Though if budget is a concern, other Oral-B electric options or smart brushes without the pressure sensor could be alternatives. The build quality is excellent, sleek, sturdy, and modern looking. The magnetic charging base is stable, and the brush heads attach securely. With regular use, you can expect this brush to last several years, and the brush head replacement schedule is easy to follow. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. And if you're itching to get it, the link is in the comments. I haven't had any issues with customer support personally, but Oral-B generally has a solid reputation for handling inquiries and replacements, which gives peace of mind. In terms of alternatives, if the price feels steep, some other electric toothbrushes offer good cleaning performance for less, though they may not have the same gentle gum protection or iO technology. If gum health and smart features are priorities, however, this one stands out. So the final verdict? The Oral-B iO Series 2 is a fantastic choice for anyone looking to upgrade from a manual toothbrush, particularly if you're concerned about plaque removal and gum care. It's easy to use, technologically advanced, and provides a genuinely cleaner feeling in your mouth. I'd recommend it to those who want a thorough yet gentle brushing experience. Thank you so much for watching. The link to grab this toothbrush is in the comments or description box. If you've tried it yourself, drop a comment below and share your thoughts. I'd love to hear how it worked for you. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out.